All right, now you have, I've got a shot glass here that had a price tag on it. You can see it's left, I've taken the price tag out, but it's left this sticky adhesive. Now I gotta tell you, I tried the scourer with dish soap and all that sort of thing, and it's just, you see, it's still really tacky. It's absolutely horrible, and it looks terrible. So, you know, if I'm gonna give someone, well, we're in Mexico, give them a shot of tequila, I got this horrible tackiness, and I just had so much trouble trying to get this off. So look, so now I'm going to show you, it's going to blow your mind how easy this just takes off these adhesive stickers. Now, so you use equal parts, now I'm going to use a tablespoon of baking soda, okay, bicarbonate soda, and coconut oil. I know it doesn't have to be organic and that sort of thing, but that's just what I happen to have. So equal parts. So I'm using a tablespoon of each. And I tell you, I cannot tell you how much. I'm just going to wipe the baking soda off there before I put it into the coconut oil. And but this gets it off brilliantly. You will not use anything else but this. This is absolutely the best. So you just mix these two together. Equal parts, coconut oil and baking soda. So I'm going to mix them up. You can see that there. And all these sticky adhesive labels that you have. And you know, now the best thing is you can tear them off as much as you can, and then but all that stickiness that I've tried to get off, this is the bomb. This absolutely works brilliantly. So you just mix them up into this paste. Again, absolutely dead easy. I mean, I'm just getting the lumps of the baking soda out. So you can store this, you can use this, but I just, with the use of a tablespoon or a teaspoon of each or whatever you want to use, it doesn't matter, you can ditch it after you've used it. So I've got these here, and you just smear it over the sticker. And you see that, you just smear it over there, and then I leave it for, you know, about 10 minutes. So just set it down, leave it for about 10 minutes. And then, and believe me, you come back, as you're about to see, and all you need to do is wipe it off with a soft cloth. No hard scouring. Look, here you go. 10 minutes later. And look, soft microfiber. And look, there it goes. Now, I tried to get this off for weeks and weeks with dish soap and a scourer. And it was just, I say weeks and weeks. I wasn't doing it constantly for weeks and weeks. But you know, every time I washed the shot glasses, I would, you know, give it a scrub. And look, it's gone. It's gone. Dish soap did nothing. Now, I was telling my mate how wonderful this goo remover is, this adhesive remover. So he said to me quite confidently, well, big deal. Just use, you know, an acid like a lime or a lemon. You see how tacky that is. Look. So he said, just use a lime and it'll get rid of it. I went, all right, I'll give that a go. So you rub your lime over, and we'll see how this works. He quite confidently said, anything acidic, we'll get rid of this, no problems at all. So I did that, and once again, left it for 10 minutes. And then I came back to do exactly what I had just done with the coconut oil baking soda, a soft rub to get rid of the adhesive, and didn't work at all. Absolute rubbish. Rubbish.